What is going on, YouTube? We're back with another video, and today, as y'all see in the title, we are finishing the second part of the side skirts. Y'all already seen the first video that came out last week, but finishing that video today. But we got a couple things to do before we do that. First, we got coolant reservoir we got to install. Check out 6Speed Zay on Instagram if you want to see that video. And then we got to go to a client's house from our automotive business and fix her mirror and install a dash cam on her car. So we're just gonna run y'all through today. I don't know how much of recording I'm gonna do of that because y'all are here for one reason, and that is the side skirts. But anyways, I'm gonna record this short form content and then we'll get into the rest of the video. All right, so we didn't have the exact paint, but this is what we're working with. We got Q70, said Q70 or Q40 would work, so it's the closest one. It's not gonna be perfect, but it's all dry. We're just gonna paint it now. So let me shake up these cans and start painting. So you're gonna do the first coat on both of them. Try to paint the same way. So, it ain't even coming out white. This junk is not white. Let me see something. Alright, so we just got back from the store. We went and got universal paint instead. We're gonna see how this stuff lays down. Just gonna give it a couple coats and it should start turning white. So it's perfect and best.
One white coat. First coat. I can't do nothing with you. Next one. Don't know why it's splattering. First coat on it. Second coat. A little bit heavier. I can't do nothing with you. I can't do nothing with you. Definitely not the color of my car, but hey, it is what it is at this point.
Probably wasn't too heavy on that one. Well, we learned. So that's what we're working with now. As y'all see, it's kind of like dripping in a sense. I don't know how to get rid of that, so it is what it is. Or I kind of got a little heavy-handed and certain spots. It's okay. Not perfect. But anyways, yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and clear coat them once this dries and everything. I'm gonna look up how to get that little spots out of it. If I can like lightly sand it or something. But it is what it is. Throw some clear on here and then keep it pushing, and they'll go on the car. We'll be done with them. But little DIY of how to do it yourself. It's not perfect. More time you take with it, you can get it perfect, but I'm very impatient. So see y'all when we clear club. All right, so this is what we're looking like. Like you said, got it pretty much done already. So we're gonna clear coat both of them, and yeah.
I can't do nothing with you. I can't do nothing with you. I can't do nothing with you.
Just like that, they have been cleared. So now just gonna let them sit for the night, and then we'll come back and check on them in the morning. Just gonna let them sit out here and dry up. So yeah, they look 10 times better than what they did. So what we're probably gonna end up doing in the future is getting another set and having them professionally painted. But this will do for the time being, just so I have something on the car. So yeah. So it is currently the next day, and we're on break at work right now. So only thing I've noticed that it's a lot of spotting, I'm guessing from stuff that cured underneath the clear coat. And there's like stuff like that. Little imperfections here, cracks and stuff. So it is what it is. We're gonna take them down. Take one of these down and see how well it fits up to the car's actual paint. And if you can tell a difference for real. But you can like see where I did the work and all that. I don't like that. Should have just really bondoed the whole thing and shaped it down. But here's what it is. We live and we learn. Alright, so it's next to the car now. Side skirts do look a little bit brighter than the car paint, but paint could just be dirty. So I guess I'm gonna put these on before I go back to work, and then that's gonna be the end of the video there. Not gonna lie to y'all, I'm not rocking with this at all. Woo! So I guess I'm just gonna have to get some more and mount them up, I guess, or get these repaired the right way, because that looks very trashy and ugly to me. Yeah, it is what it is, I guess. Guess we're gonna ride like this for a couple more weeks, get paid, get some more, get some real paint done to them, I guess. It just doesn't look right in a sense. You can tell it was done by me. So anyways, if y'all like the video, make sure y'all go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. I don't know how long we're gonna keep these on the car. We're gonna keep them on the car. at all. Might get some different style of ones, but I don't know. But like I said, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Quote of the day is life goes on. Like always, it does go on. But anyways, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and we're on to the next video.